Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to talk about OpenGraph Protocol and types of OpenGraph Protocol and SEO OpenGraph tutorial also. Now let's start with what exactly is OpenGraph Protocol. Now, the OpenGraph Protocol is a set of meta tags that you can add to your website to control how your content is displayed when it is shared on social media. This includes the title, description, image, and other information that will be displayed when someone shares a link to your website on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. There are a variety of OpenGraph Protocol tags that you can use, but the most important ones are OG title, the title of your content, OG description, a brief description of your content, OG image, the image that will be displayed when someone shares a link to your content, OG URL, the URL of your content. You can also use other OpenGraph Protocol tags to provide more information about your content. This information can include the type of content, example article, blog post, product page, the author, and the publishing date. Now let's talk about the SEO OpenGraph tutorial. To optimize your website for OpenGraph Protocol, you need to add the following meta tags to your website's head. You can also add other OpenGraph Protocol tags to provide more information about your content. Now let's talk about the benefits of using OpenGraph Protocol. There are a number of benefits for using OpenGraph Protocol. This would include improved social media sharing. OpenGraph Protocol makes it easier for people to share your content on social media by providing social media platforms with the information they need to display your content correctly. Another benefit is increased website traffic. When people share your content on social media, it can drive more traffic to your website. Another benefit would be improved search engine rankings. Search engines like Google consider social media signals when ranking websites. So having your content shared on social media can help to improve your search engine rankings. Another benefit would be increase in click-through rate or the CTR. OpenGraph tags allow you to customize the title, description, and image that is displayed when your content is shared on social media. This can help to make your content more visually appealing and engaging, which can lead to more clicks. Another benefit would be improved brand awareness. OpenGraph tags can be used to display your brand logo and other branding elements when your content is shared on social media. This can help to increase brand awareness and reach a wider audience. Another benefit would be increase in backlinks. When people share your content on social media, it can lead to more backlinks to your website. Backlinks are a key factor in SEO as they signal to search engines that your website is authoritative. In addition to these SEO benefits, OpenGraph tags can also help to improve the overall user experience on your website. For example, if someone shares your content on social media, their friends will be able to see a preview of your content before they click on it. This can help to reduce the number of bounce rate, which is the percentage of visitors who leave your website after viewing only one page. Hope the information shared in this video was of help. In case you need any help in terms of SEO, feel free to get in touch with us through our website or our WhatsApp number, and we surely will be able to help. Humble request to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.